Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are still enjoying my channel. I'm just going to show you on how you can retrieve your proof of account, your account details. So the proof of account or account details, or you can call it a bank letter. This is mostly used when you are being employed to a new company and they need to verify your banking details so that they can send your salary monthly into the correct account. So without further ado, let's get into it. And so that you know, Capitec made it so easy and simple, so it's like just one step in and you retrieve your proof of account. So you go to your app, you sign in, and you go to your savings account, and then at the top right corner you can see there are 3 dots icon. Click on that, so that can give you all the options of transferring, sending account details, emailing bank statement, account details. So in this instance you need to send account details, so you can do that via SMS or email, but I prefer an email. So just click on the email and provide your email address. So once you're done keying in your email address, you can just press send. As you can see at the bottom, it says account detail send, and we just wait for the confirmation on the emails. How marvelous is this, guys? So easy. It's just one step into what you're looking for. I'm loving this app. I hope you will love this app as well. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. As you can see, the email just came in. I'm just gonna go into my inbox, and then we're just gonna see how it looks like. I'm gonna exit here. I'm going to my emails. Just gonna click on the email. So that's the proof of account details, guys. The bank letter or the account details. So I'm just gonna zoom it in so that you can all see how it looks like. Guys, this is awesome. Please stay tuned to my channel. I'll be bringing you more videos of how to retrieve such statements.